Hello, I'm Zoe. We will talk about fast foods. Fast food is a type of mass-produced food designed for commercial resale and with a strong priority placed on speed of service versus other relevant factors involved in culinary science. In restaurants, you people are the customers. For example, McDonald's. That guy is Ronald McDonald, is a clown character used as the primary mascot of the McDonald's fast food restaurant chain. It is also found in the television commercials too. Well, who founded McDonald's fast food restaurant? The first McDonald's restaurant was started in 1948 by brothers Maurice and Richard McDonald in San Bernardino, California, in United States. Nowadays, its area is served all over the world, for all continents except Antarctica. McDonald's restaurants uses drive-through parking zone, to let the customers enter. They can buy various fast foods like French fries, burger, sausage, beverages, and others. We can mention how much it costs. That guy, I can call Shadow the Hedgehog here. Shadow.
Why did you bring me here?
I wanted to tell you how much the food costs.
But where am I?
You're here in my kitchen studio.
What do you want to look for?
I want to tell you how fast food works.
Okay. Well, I can't tell how a fast food is used. I can find about business monetization purposes.
Okay, Shadow.
You got my name?
Yeah, it's you. I'm Zooey the Fox.
Zoe? You said you're a kitchen master.
Yeah, but I'm in kitchen studio.
Okay.
Tell me, Shadow, how much does the food cost when a customer buys it?
Well, most of the owners and operators keep food costs about 30% of revenue. Hey, I found something.
What makes you surprised? What did you find something?
The food cost formula.
Food cost formula?
Well, Zoe, if I have to say the 30% revenue, or it's an ideal food cost percentage. If food cost per dish is $1,500, then total sales per dish will be $5,000.
Okay, thank you for showing me the example. See you, Shadow.
See you, Zoe.
Back to this topic, you can find out various fast food restaurants like Subway, KFC, Burger King, and Sonic Drive-In. But be sure, don't confuse with Sonic the Hedgehog as a name, compared to the Sonic Drive-In fast foods. Before ending this video, how do problems encounter? The disadvantage we face is, obesity increases your risk for respiratory problems, including asthma and shortness of breath. So do be careful next time. Once you visit the fast food, you can save money because fast food tends to be cheaper than the alternatives. You can also save time as there is very low or no waiting time for food to be served. And enjoy many healthy fast food options as you wish. This topic you know about fast foods. Like, comment, and subscribe now.